Its sneaker of 2022, the New Balance 550. What's good everyone, and welcome back to a brand new unboxing video. This time we have what is arguably the It sneaker of 2022, the New Balance 550. New Balance have been making big moves over the last year to really integrate themselves in the sneaker conversation of what you have on foot. And honestly, the 550s is definitely one of those silhouettes in the New Balance catalog that have got people talking. A lot of people in the company have dubbed this the influencer sneaker of the year, and honestly, I don't think they're wrong. We're seeing this pair being worn by the likes of Justin and Hailey Bieber, Bella Hadid, and other celebrities, but it isn't just in the celebrity scene we're seeing movements with this shoe. Sneakerheads alike have been able to bear witness to amazing collabs with the 550s, one of which was the Aimé Leon Dore's, or as Alim says,
Aimé Leon Dore.
And the ALDs were arguably the catalyst for what brought about the resurgence of the 550s. You even got the United Arrows collab and even the Rich Pauls, and all around this silhouette is making waves for both the mainstream and sneakerhead audiences. So what makes this sneaker so special? Let's unbox it and find out. Starting off with the packaging, New Balance boxes tend to come in this slate grey tone, and the 550s are no different, and then you have the NB logo on top of the box. Moving on to the actual shoes, people may not know that the 550s were actually made as a basketball sneaker back in 1989, but here and now in 2022, this is a go-to lifestyle sneaker. The material on the upper will mainly consist of premium leathers, but some of the sneakers that we have actually consist of having a suede toe guard rather than just a plain leather one. Having a more detailed look at the sneakers now, the quality control on it is actually pretty decent. Like, the stitching is pretty clean, there's no glue marks across the upper, and overall for the price range, it's a decent shoe. Technology-wise, the shoe stays true to its 1980s roots, so it doesn't have any standalone technology. It does have awful light insoles in these ones, so it does feel a little bit bouncy in there. On the lateral sides of the shoe, you actually see the signature N graphic that is very present on other popular New Balance silhouettes. It's a lot glossier compared to the rest of the upper, and it's really soft to the touch. It actually kind of feels like an embroidery almost. One of the details I've actually noticed about the 550s is this basketball graphic it has on the tongue, and that yet again pays homage to the basketball roots of this sneaker. I also have to mention, with every 550 pair I see, the color blocking just looks so good with it. The accent colors tend to be seen on the back tab and any of the lining, and you just need to see it on the pairs like the Carolina Blues and these burgundies, and you can see what I mean. So then there's 550 branding on the bottom half of the lace loops, and then you'll find New Balance branding on the tongue, midsole, and the back tab of the shoe. We also have a size guide available on our website made by our very own New Balance connoisseur, Raf. Click here on the left or the right to check it out, but the general consensus is you buy true to size or go half a size up if you have wider feet, because it does have a narrow build. People have been styling the 550s in a range of different ways. Based on what I've seen, the most popular choice tends to be athleisure, so a pair of sweatpants or wide leg joggers matched with a crew neck or hoodie. It's easy, it's comfortable, you can't go wrong with it. The shoe really gives off strong retro vibes, so I could also recommend it with a varsity jacket or a college sweater, anything that brings the shoe back to its roots. I've even seen some fits where people wear it with more formal attire, so whatever style you're going for, this pair is very versatile. The retail for the sneaker tends to be around £100 for UK retailers, and the resale for them is pretty decent as well for the GR pairs. That being said, I've seen the collaboration pairs go up to £350, and the most expensive collaboration I saw was a pair of Orally 550s, which was going up to £750. Madness. Really and truly, the 550s are very far away from its ceiling, and there's even a personal bet in the office that everyone will have a pair of 550s before the end of the year. So let us know what you think about 550s in the comments below. I've been John from the Sole Supplier. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Make sure to check out our other videos where we give our honest reviews, as well as early looks into upcoming releases. And we also have a great vlog series called Insole where we recently did our hot sauce challenge. So please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. I'm leaving it at that. I'm packing up. Everyone have a good weekend.
Yay, thank you.